going to try and get on board this other Boeing here, the Emirates 777-300ER. That's totally refitted with the new premium economy, and it's their first aircraft with Starlink Wi-Fi, which they just announced is going to come to the whole fleet. So that's pretty cool. Let's see if we can get on board. All right, no resistance to coming on board the 777. Thank you, Emirates. Nice to be welcomed easily into an airplane.
How are you?
So this is the new business class, the redone, kind of updated. This is not so dissimilar from what you get on an Emirates A380 in terms of sort of seat layout, the amount of space, aisle access, but it is very different from what you get on their typical 777-300ERs, where you have middle seats, you have no direct aisle access from window seats in most cases. So this is really nice to see, and this is sort of reminding me of the A350, which I actually flew earlier this year. Came to Dubai just to fly it, found a mild seat, found that seat to be really lovely. The service was great too. It was a really nice flight. So it's great to see these 777s, which are a huge part of their fleet, getting this new product, much improved, way better to fly with this on many Emirates flights that serve 777s. Is going to be a huge upgrade for people. Very Emirates, very kind of gold and wood paneling, and cream / beige leathers, but it's fun, right? I love it. The footwell space is really big in all the seats, so that's really good, I think. You're not suffering if you're in a row further back from the bulkhead. And so this is the premium economy, which is also progressively now being added to the 777 fleet, which is great news because it also looks really good. I haven't actually flown it on a real flight yet, sat in it a few times to test it out on the ground only, but I really want to try this properly at some point, and it's going to get easier to do because they'll be on these 777s as well. Very comfy seat, very premium looking and feeling, and a nice adjustable headrest here, and it all seems very high end. For premium economy, it seems like among the upper ranks of that. So you're getting socks, eye shade.
Earplugs.
Nice.
Toothbrush.
Oh wow.
And toothpaste.
This is like some business class Amenity kits look like this.
Oh, the business class. Oh yeah, true. In
On some airlines?
Yeah. Premium economy.
Yeah. More or less the same things
More or
inside?
less the same, but we added few extra items here.
Okay.
These amenities. Different colors and different styles. So here we have two different choices, one for females and one for males. Sometimes the shape and the color is different. We make sure we change it so people don't get bored if they fly.
Yeah.
That's a mirror.
Oh wow.
This is for females. The male one is more or less the same, but
Yeah.
we added a razor inside and
Oh,
we
yeah.
removed the scrunchie and the mirror. Here I have a male one. You can see the male one now because
Yeah.
we saw the female one.
Great.
So now this is even more premium. It's still from Bulgaria, but more premium. This is a male version. We have a perfume. I really love it. It smells amazing.
That's tricky doing that one-handed. Very nice.
I really love it. Thanks for visiting.
Yes. Okay.
No, I'm not. I'm good one.
First class looking really nice. It's not the latest and greatest super one with the fake windows in the center seats, but it's really beautiful anyway. And all the amenities, crazy how many little products you get, and even in just the amenity kit, so much stuff.
It's one of our appetizers. And these are our toys. You've seen the toys?
Yeah.
For kids. So depending on the age, these ones we usually give them to babies. Then we have this the blanket as well. The blanket this is also for babies. So that's how it looks like. It turns into a blanket.
Oh, nice. And you've got the flight attendants
Yeah.
and pilots. I'm just blown away by the fact that they give really nice, beautifully designed, proper amenity kits in economy. I've seen amenity kits in business class that are the same quality level on other airlines, and this is just like, I don't know, all the products they give, all the stuff for kids. It reminds me of what Etihad does in that sense as well. Just really above and beyond for sort of giving people nice things that they really don't have to. And I've actually never flown Emirates economy, at least not in a really, really long time. Like the one I flew back when I was younger is a totally different product. But I really want to try this actually on a maybe from if they send one of these refitted 777s to Stockholm, would be a nice chance to try this. Maybe premium economy one way, economy the other, and it seems like such a nice way to travel with your family too. If you have kids, just like a very friendly atmosphere with a lot of nice perks and little pluses, and you get little kids product bags, and you know, even in an economy to get that kind of amenity kit, really beautifully designed with some basic products. It's just so nice. It's just dignified, you know. It seems like they treat you well, no matter what class you're in. Even though it's all about the super luxury, like the really headliner stuff up in first and business is amazing, over the top. They still pay attention to economy, and that's pretty rare among airlines, I think. So, got to commend Emirates for that, and I think I need to start maybe flying them more often. Hi. I just keep doing circuits.